Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Tuesday truck just rolled back in, boxes piled up to the rim. We sort the gold, stack the rest, but the car deals, those are the best. Lamp with a dent, toaster maybe, mystery box marked kinda crazy. Could be treasure, could be weird, somebody's gonna win right here. Josh rolls the card onto the floor, crowd starts leaning in for more. Greg just laughs and makes it clear, 25 starts right here. Car deal fever, feel it rise, mystery stack to the skies. 25 bucks, take a chance, watch the bidders start to dance. Car deal fever, here we go, stack it high, steal the show. One quick bid and it's your night, hammer down, sold on sight. Yeah. Coffee maker missing a lid, brand new blanket somebody hid. Bluetooth speaker, picture frame, half the crowd playing the game. Could be candles, could be toys, could be tools for the weekend boys, could be snacks or a lava lamp. Either way, it's auction camp. Josh rolls another through the line, chat lights up, right on time. Take a swing or let it slide, someone's rolling home with pride. Car deal fever, feel it rise, mystery stack to the skies. 25 bucks, take a chance, watch the bidders start to dance. Car deal fever, here we go, stack it high and steal the show. One quick bid and it's your night, hammer down, sold on sight. You might get gold, you might get strange, but every card's a gamble game. From kitchen stuff to random gear, that fever hits when cards appear. Car deal fever, shout it loud, best surprise in the whole dang crowd. 25 and don't be late, car deals never hesitate. Car deal fever, grab the prize, mystery stack to the skies. Going once and going twice, car deal sold. What a price! Car deal sold. What a price! Sold on sight.